everyone guys, so in front of me is Samsung S25 FE and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do once your device stuck for some unknown reason is to force restart. To do it, just tap on power button along with volume down button. Tap and hold for around 10 seconds. Once you feel a smooth vibration and also see Samsung logo, just remove both fingers from both buttons and wait. Nothing more you can do. Not can, but have to do. Just wait till it's activated. And that's it. Now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.